Considerfa an Albert seo as Gaeilge. Everything is bought at the start of the year with the sirrihir, so the passive. It's not going to be tá gachrod ceannaithe. Well, firstly, I need to get the verb in the sirrihir. That's where we'll start. Ceannaigh is the verb to buy. Present sirrihir ending is going to be tur or chur. But here it's a long verb. So with the long verbs in the sirrihir, I think the easiest way of doing it is going back to the original tense. So here we're in present passive. Everything is bought. Let's just go back to normal present. So I buy ceannaíonn mé. That gives me the shape and structure. I get rid of my double N's at the end because that's normal or simple present. Here I'm in passive present and I put on my tur or chur ending. So it's ceannaíochur for is bought. Everything is bought. Ceannaíochur gachrod. And then at the start of the year. Remember with these ones in the genitive, because it is genitive of the year, we're not going to have an on beforehand. So always think the center of the city. Even though in English you have two definite articles and it starts with the center, it's just lor na cathrach. We don't say on lor na cathrach. So same thing here. It's going to be tus, and then blin is feminine, so it's tus na blina for at the start of the year. Don't forget the little egg for ash. Okay, so ceannaíochur gachrod ag tus na blina. Everything is bought at the start of the year. And those ones such as blina are important to know in the genitive. You'll often find that words like seachtain, me, blin, law, those time-related words come up over and over and over again in the genitive. I rit an lei during the day, at the end of the month, ag deireadh na misa, at the start of the week, ag tus na seachtaine, or in this case, ceannaíochur gachrod ag tus na blina. Everything is bought at the start of the year.